Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Recently I've been having a problem with the Valve Index VR headset where when I start up the steamVR, the audio just does not transmit at all to my Index. I feel like I've seen some other people have this problem, and if you have had that problem and you're currently having that problem, well, this is the video for you. Like, it won't show up in my audio settings either also. Like, I'll show you guys. Not in here, nothing Valve Index. And I've looked up for a while, and I still haven't been able to find anyone else that had a proper fix, which this isn't a total fix, but it is a easy fix that you might have to do whenever you want to play VR if you want to start up the Valve VR, or Steam VR, I guess. Which, if you want to do this, you want to just go to your search bar and find Device Manager, and from there, you want to right click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers right here, and then you want to scan for hardware changes. Then with that, you can start up your VR, which you can have the VR open while you're doing this, which it might actually be better to do once it loads up. I'll just do that one more time because I think I have to have VR open to do it first. Okay. Now, if I go to here, right here. It's already hooked up then. And that's the fix. So what I've noticed with this fix, it works just fine. However, the only problem I've had is every time you shut off your computer and you start it back up, I've had to do it, but it's the only fix I've found that works, for me at least. I've tried other people's fixes and they've never worked for me, but if this works for you guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, have a good one.